Hi guys. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be using to make the birria pho. So here's the meats I'm gonna be using, some green onion, some of the seasonings, I don't know, some other liquid seasonings, onion, garlic, ginger, serranos, some of those, some of those. Those are the noodles, and then some of these. So anyways, let's start off by boiling some water for the chicken, or not the chicken, the meat. Okay guys, so here I'm just taking out all the scum that's building up on top. I'm letting it build up. But yeah, that's what we got going on so far. Okay guys, so far I have 3 tomatoes, charred onion, the charred ginger, 2 garlic heads because they're small, and some bay leaves. I got all the meat in there, and I'm just gonna wait for this to cook for about like an hour or so. But yeah, that's how it's looking. It smells so good. Okay guys, so I just cut up these chiles. I opened them. I took off the stems and some of the seeds. If you like it spicy, leave the seeds in. I left it in some, so I have the 3 different kinds that that I showed you guys earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the stove right here so it can like toast up. And then once it's toasted, I'm gonna put it in the bag that it comes with and then drop it into our broth right here. I had to put it down because it was too hot. It was spoiling up too fast, and I'm not moving that fast enough. So yep, that's what we're gonna do. So this is what the inside looks like. Let's just dump it on there, and we're just gonna let it toast and move it around. Okay guys, so literally just toasting it for a little bit. Okay guys, so I already added the Big Mama chicken seasoning. Ooh, my camera. Fish oil, sugar, salt, MSG, fish oil, and a faux cube, which is basically like a cube. And I didn't add too much just because I'm not doing that much, you know what I mean? I'm also taking out the bay leaves, and I'm just putting it here to the side. So in the video, the lady tasted it like at this point to try it. I don't even know what I'm tasting because a lot of these things I've never had any of this except for birria. But obviously when it's already like done, you know what I mean? So I guess we're just gonna kind of have to guess what we would think it would taste like. Okay, so I am boiling my chiles in some water now till they become soft. I already have my tomatoes, onion, and garlic here. So I'm basically going to be mixing those 2 together to create the salsa, which is basically going to be the consomme for the broth in there. The meat is getting tender. I tried the broth. It's actually pretty good. So we're just kind of waiting till it starts falling apart. And then we'll leave this to the side, you know, once it's ready and everything like that. But yeah, that's what we got going on. Okay guys, so I have added now the chilies that were boiling, the tomato, the onion, the garlic, and I also added some broth. I'm about to add a scoop of the chipotle peppers. It smells so good. I might make a mess doing it with one hand. We're gonna clean anyway, so it doesn't matter. Our chicken is already fallen off the bone. So we're like pretty fucking good there. Okay, so that is the chipotle peppers. I think I'm gonna add just one more scoop. And then we're gonna mix. Okay, so I just turned it off. This is what the sauce looks like. This is what it looks like so far. Like I said, the meat is already falling off. So we no longer have to wait. And we're just gonna pour it directly on it. Actually, I'm lying. I had to use this strainer and then pour it on. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Just like that. Okay, just to kind of show you, I have the sauce over this, and it's basically, I'm basically just stirring it till it goes down, just like that. I don't know if you can tell, it's coming down as we go. It's gonna turn into that beautiful birria color. So yummy. That looks so good already. So much flavor. So much flavor. Alright, I'm gonna continue to do this. Okay guys, that's how it looks like after I put the sauce in there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take out the meat and put it here, and then any bones right there, because I'm gonna shred the meat and then put it back in. Okay guys, so I have the cilantro, the green onions, and the limes. I also have serrano and jalapeno cut up. So here we are, both different. And then this, just waiting for everything to heat up. Here I have the bean sprouts. And then here are the noodles I'm going to be using. Just waiting for this to come to a boil again. It smells so good. So yeah. Okay guys, so I put the broth over the noodles, and now I'm gonna go ahead and top it off. So I think the first thing I'm gonna add is some of this bean sprouts. Next, it's gonna be some jalapenos. And then some serranos. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put some cilantro in it. And some green onions. And of course, some lime. Over top. And let's add some of this sauce. Hoisin sauce. Alright, so got the spoon right here. And the chopsticks. Another lime for good luck. That looks so good. Okay guys, so this is my plate. Sorry if you hear my dog in the back, he's sleeping. It's like 3 a.m. Anyways, this is how my plate looks like. Let me put the flashlight on real quick so you guys can see. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Let's try it.